Good morning to you all. Welcome. First, we are going to discuss about the biodata or resume creation. First exercise is for biodata or resume creation. In biodata, first take the notes. First, you should use the two columns. You should insert the two columns. Two columns by using table option. First you should use the two columns to insert the your name and your photo. First I am going to give the heading bio data. It should be in center element, and you should change the font size to 20. Also you may use the some some style fonts. Some style fonts biodata. Then you need to insert columns by using the insert option. Check the insert option, then select the table a table icon, then you should select the two columns. I am going to create the resume for Mr. Peter Parker. Then we should change the font size to 14 for Mr. Peter Parker. Son of Mr. Parker, 12/2, Rosefield. I should give the address in the first column. New York, USA. New York, USA. Then here we should insert the photo of Mr. Peter Parker. In the second column I will insert the photo of Mr. Peter Parker. You can download the image, any image. You may choose the Shinchan or Doraemon or Suzuka or Minamoto or Mixi. Choose some decent photo. Here it looks like a very nice. I will right click it and open in new, or I think it's a same photo. We can use this photo. For save as, for right click the image, save as. Save images. I will save in my desktop. First BCom lab. I will rename the image Parker space image. But then I should select the I should insert the image by using insert options through picture. Picture tool. First select the insert insert button, then select the picture icon, then it will open the dialog box. Then go to desktop. I have chosen in first BCom lab. This is the Peter Parker image. Click OK. Then select the image. Go to the corner. Press the Ctrl key. Then rearrange it. Then rearrange it. then the image should be in right side. So go to home, select the right alignment, right alignment, then it will come like this. Here you should give some space. Okay, but you should give some space. So select the address, right click it, right click it, or go to select the address, go to line spacing, give 6 before 6 point and after 6 point. It will give some space. Okay, so based on this size, you may rearrange the size. You may rearrange the Peter Parker image size. Also, select the table, right click it and go to table property and go to column, go to cell and select the center alignment. If you select the center alignment, all the content will aligned in center. One second. Table property center. Okay, then we should give some space between the Peter Parker address and image. So we need to remove the border. If you want to remove the border, select the table. This is the table. Go to border and choose the no border. It will become like this. In this way, you should create the resume header. This is known as the resume header. You may give some color if you want. If you have more time, you may give some color, some mild color. You may give some mild color, or you may leave it, or just to remove the border. But that's it. We have created the header. Then we need to give another other informations. Career objective. Good scientist. To become a good scientist, you should change the header from normal font style into bold by clicking the B option or Control B. Then you should give the some space between the objective and to become a good scientist. So select the whole content, go to paragraph, give 6 point each other. Then by educational qualification. Qualifications. For all heading should be in same font. So select the heading objective, then use the form painter to apply the newly inserted heading. But then here we should use the table, rows and columns to insert the Peter Parker's qualifications. Then once again select the insert and go to table and select. For first column is for serial number, second column is for school or college name, third for particular course, fourth is for percentage or marks obtained. So then you should rearrange serial number, or you should change the font. You should change the font to 10 or 12. சரியாப்பா give one enter serial number school or college course name percentage. But if you want to insert the another column, you should press the tab key. But if you press the tab key, it will insert the new rows, or you may right click it. You may right click and select the particular row, then you may insert by clicking the insert button. Okay ba? Then you should convert all this header into cap. If you want to convert all those letters from small letter to capital letter, select all the content and go to change case option. Change case options, then select the uppercase. Then the header should be in center positions. So select the center justification. It will become put some color. Put some color. Serial number 1 school or college, Tyagarajar College, college BCom CA, sorry MCom CA, percentage 98. It should be in small, it should be in normal font. So change the font. It should be in capital letter, but then second American College BCom CA 95, third schools +2 88%, 4 Tyagarajar School 10th standard. It should come like a 10th. So select the TH, then go to X square. Go to select the X square button, but it will automatically go to the power position strength 89. Convert all the font from capital to normal font, and also it should be in normal font. Okay ba? First we have created the header. Header means Peter Parker's name and his address, and also with his photo by using the table. Second, we have created the header called objective to become a good scientist. Third, we have created the education qualifications. We can resize. We can resize the table width and column width. Select the table and go to layout. You can see the height. You may increase the height based on your requirement. Increase the height by clicking the upper arrow. I have increased the height, so I want to align all those letters in a center format. So I should select the table. I have selected the table. Right click it, go to table properties and cell, and select the center button. Then you can see all those lines come in center position. Is there, but any doubt gentlemen, any doubt?
சார் அந்த 10th அந்த டிஹெச் எப்படி சார் மேலே வரும்?
ஆமாம் டி இஷ்வா இங்கே பாருங்கப்பா. இப்போ 10 சரியாப்பா ஸ்பேஸ் டிஹெச். ஓகேப்பா. செலக்ட் த சரியாப்பா. இப்போ செலக்ட் ஓகேப்பா. இப்போ செலக்ட் த டிஹெச் அண்ட் கோ டு ஹோம் சரியாப்பா. இப்போ கிளிக் த x2. கிளிக் த சரியாப்பா x2 சரியாப்பா x power 2. இப்போ can you able to see the superscript r சரியாப்பா.
எஸ் சார்.
ஓகேப்பா. r press control select the th press control shift plus symbol. ஓகேப்பா. control shift plus symbol, it will automatically சரியாப்பா become a superscript சரியாப்பா 10th. ஓகேப்பா. இப்போ now we have சரியாப்பா we have created the header சரியாப்பா with the address and the image and the objective and educational qualifications. Then we need to add the personal information சரியாப்பா. இப்போ you should give சரியாப்பா more content சரியாப்பா. personal information for same thing சரியாப்பா we can add the சரியாப்பா personal information by using the சரியாப்பா table. select some table. first change into small சரியாப்பா 12 normal font. father's name. ஓகேப்பா. இப்போ go to சரியாப்பா give some space சரியா. Mr. Parker. mother's name Mr. Jonah Parker. permanent address சரியாப்பா. copy the address, paste it notepad. I should paste it notepad, then paste it in your சரியாப்பா word document. ஓகேவா. I give some space, give some space. So this is the current address. Current address West Massey Street, Madurai 14. The current address you should சரியாப்பா give some space. ஓகேப்பா. then language known. English, Tamil, Hindi, reference, சரியாப்பா you give the reference some name. சரியாப்பா the principal Tyagaraja College, சரியாப்பா Tyagaraja Arts and Science College, Madurai 9. Madurai 9. This should be in சரியாப்பா normal font. All should be in 12. Okay ba. We should add சரியாப்பா some space சரியாப்பா 1.5 சரியாப்பா 1.5. Also we give சரியாப்பா center alignment to our content.
Sir,
Yes sir.
sir, is there any shortcut to make everything capital?
Yes sir. If you want to change all this font into capital, select it சரியாப்பா go to சரியாப்பா capital A and small a change case, select the upper case, all become சரியாப்பா normal சரியாப்பா. Here I am added only சரியாப்பா objective, educational qualifications and personal information, and also you should add the awards சரியாப்பா you should add the awards you should add the awards சரியாப்பா put gold medal in சரியாப்பா +2 and state first in 10th standard and university rank holder in BCom and Indian சரியாப்பா Indian rank holder in MCom. You should add சரியாப்பா some awards சரியாப்பா your resume should be 1.5 pages சரியாப்பா your resume should be in 1.5 pages. Due to time constraint சரியாப்பா I have added the very little informations. Do you have any doubt pa? Do you have any doubt? சரியாப்பா I will give the recorded copy also. Do you have any doubt, gentlemen? For Gans, for Surya, for Rajeshwari, for Raksana Fatima, is there any doubt pa?
No, sir.
Okay pa. You should remember 3 things. You should insert the 2 columns by using the table option to create the header சரியாப்பா to create the header with சரியாப்பா name and photo. Second சரியாப்பா you should note it. Second, center alignment by clicking the cell through சரியாப்பா table properties. You should note it pa. You should note it these 2 points சரியாப்பா if you don't know சரியாப்பா you lose 3 or 4 marks.